Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unsend message on Facebook Messenger on your Windows. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Messenger. If you have Messenger installed on your computer, you can directly open the application, or you can also open up the Messenger from your Facebook. And here I'm just going to open up the Messenger from my Facebook. We can click on this icon to open up the messenger, and I'm going to send a message to this group chat. Then I'm going to show you how we can unsend the message like this. If you want to unsend it, you can click on the three dots on the message to get more option, and then you can simply click on unsend. Okay, then I'm going to select unsend for everyone. Then we can click on remove. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the message has been removed from this group chat. That's easy, right? You can simply click on the three dots on the message, then select unsend, and select unsend for everyone, and click on remove. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to unsend message on Facebook Messenger on Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.